Hello guys, this should be a quick video on how to replace the electric motor inside of one of these drills. This is a Makita. This is the FD02 series drill, and it's been giving me a burning smell from the motor. Very bad burning smell. Still works, but it smells like it's about to give up the ghost. It smells like burning resin on the wires or whatever. It's the burnt electrical smell. So this should be a relatively easy fix to replace the motor. The motor on this particular one, this is where I got it from. This is, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just telling you where I got it from. And this is a part number for this motor for this drill. There we go. This is for the FD02 W in this case, because it's a white drill case. This is from Makita. You can probably see it through the tape. This is their motor part number. So that is the motor part number for the FD02 drill. So let's get to it. First of all, take the battery off. There's these two metal clips holding the casing together, the clamshell. They slide off. You can see here. It slides off, and that just keeps the two halves of the clamshell together. Screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully there's nothing else under the rubber. So far they're the same length. Keeping those screws, making an attempt at somewhat keeping those screws in more or less the same position as they came out. Ta-da! Alright, this whole thing comes out as a assembly. Here's your motor, your gear reduction, your clutch over here. This is a whole other separate unit. You can buy this individually too. Alright, there's the motor, and you can see all that soot over here. I think that is from the burning motor. Alright, let's see this guy. Okay, metal gears. You can see the tabs over here are color coded, so you don't get them confused. But it seems like I had to transfer this plastic flange over here onto the new motor, just to be able to couple it onto the gear reduction drive over here. see. I'm guessing probably the orientation is gonna make a difference. So we'll go red on top, red on top. Click. Click. These tabs are, they serve as sort of alignment tabs. Just the little square tabs down on the bottom here, and two more pointy tabs on top over here, which would line up with square hole, pointy holes. These are all very highly technical terms, yes, I know. Alright, let me not lose this guy. There we go. Just had to align the sun gear in the middle with the planetary gears around the gear reduction drive. And I think we're back to go, ready to go back together. Hold you there. Put the red to red. Black to black. There we go. There you go. A piece of melted plastic or debris or whatever. It's keeping the motor from fully sitting in. Alright, look at success. Still works. Back to life. I think the cost of the new motor was $10, $12 maybe. buying a new drill will be at least $100. And plus, for $10 you can extend the life of your tools or whatever. It already exists. If you can extend the life of it, why not do it? And it's just a handful of screws, a few minutes, and it's an easy fix. So anyways, I hope you find this video useful. If you can, if you find it useful, say thank you. Pass it on. If you know how to repair something else, make a video, post it. Help the rest of everybody else out there to extend the life of the appliances and things that we already have. Anyways, see you guys. Stay safe, and yeah, see you next time.